Okay, now first the same step. We will boil them, make them softer, and then we put them into cold water to open it. Okay, now you can see there are two silkworms inside. Yeah, two pupas inside. We take them out, and then we cover on the small ring like this. As for the worms like this, actually they are still useful because they contain high protein. High protein. So in China, we use them to make face cream and some medicine. Actually, they are very delicious. In China, eat them, but not for me. I don't like them. Actually, they taste like peanuts. Yeah. If you like, even take some for lunch. I don't care. Okay, so normally after overlapping 10 layers together, 10 layers like this, and then she will move the small one to the big ring like this. It's 10 layers, but usually she will move 7 times from the smaller one, cover on the big ring, so it will become just one layer of the silk quilt. Right now it's about 3 layers. Okay, come on guys, have a try like this. It's very durable. It will become like this. Have a touch, feel it. Yeah, same one. Very soft, very light. Yes. Yeah. Some weight 1 kilo. 1 kilo. We need 100 layers. 100 layers like this, only for the 1 kilo summer weight. And for winter weight, with the more, maybe over 200 layers. Yeah, layer by layer, all handmade. Okay, so guys, 2 hands, hold the material. Okay, hey, hold on, slowly and evenly. Okay, keep balance, try your best. Okay, keep balance. Okay, actually, it's very nice for the first time. Yeah. Good job. You may leave here to work if you like. Okay. You can see after pulling, it is still layer by layer like